Facility management is a critical aspect of running any organization efficiently, and with the rise of digital tools, it has become easier than ever to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve overall productivity. Digital tools are transforming the way facilities are managed by providing real-time data, automating routine tasks, and enhancing communication between teams. One of the key benefits of using digital tools in facility management is the ability to centralize information. Instead of relying on scattered spreadsheets or paper-based systems, digital platforms allow all relevant data to be stored in one accessible location. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors and ensures that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Another major advantage of digital tools is their ability to automate repetitive tasks. For example, maintenance schedules can be automated, ensuring that equipment is serviced regularly without the need for manual reminders. This proactive approach helps prevent unexpected breakdowns and extends the lifespan of assets. Additionally, digital tools can generate work orders automatically based on predefined criteria, allowing maintenance teams to address issues before they escalate. Predictive maintenance is another game changer, as it uses data analytics to predict when equipment is likely to fail, enabling organizations to take action before a problem occurs. This not only reduces downtime, but also saves money by avoiding costly repairs. Communication is another area where digital tools excel. Facility management often involves coordinating between multiple teams, contractors, and stakeholders. Digital platforms provide a centralized communication hub where everyone can collaborate in real time. Mobile accessibility is another feature that enhances communication, as it allows team members to access information and complete tasks from anywhere, at any time. Data analytics is another powerful feature of digital tools in facility management. By collecting and analyzing data from various sources, organizations can gain valuable insights into their operations. For example, they can identify trends in energy usage, track the performance of equipment, or measure the efficiency of maintenance processes. These insights enable data-driven decision-making, helping organizations optimize their operations and reduce costs. Sustainability is another area where digital tools can make a significant impact. By monitoring energy consumption and identifying areas where resources are being wasted, organizations can implement strategies to reduce their environmental footprint. For example, smart sensors can be used to monitor lighting, heating, and cooling systems, ensuring that they are only used when needed. Security is another critical aspect of facility management that can be enhanced with digital tools. Access control systems, for example, can be integrated with digital platforms to ensure that only authorized personnel can enter certain areas. Finally, digital tools can improve the overall user experience for both employees and visitors. For example, wayfinding apps can help visitors navigate large facilities, while mobile apps can allow employees to book meeting rooms or report issues with just a few taps. These small improvements can have a big impact on satisfaction and productivity. In conclusion, digital tools are revolutionizing facility management by providing centralized data, automating tasks, enhancing communication, enabling data-driven decisions, promoting sustainability, improving security, and enhancing the user experience. By adopting these tools, organizations can not only improve their operations, but also gain a competitive edge in today's fast-paced world. And there you have it. Digital tools are truly transforming the way we manage facilities, making operations smoother, more efficient, and cost-effective. From automating routine tasks to enhancing communication and promoting sustainability, these tools are paving the way for smarter, more proactive facility management. If you're looking to take your facility management to the next level, now is the time to explore these digital solutions and see how they can benefit your organization. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on how technology is shaping the future of various industries. If you have any questions or thoughts about facility management or digital tools, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.